The denominator n will multiply here. Sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 n minus 2. Sigma n means n into n plus 1 by 2 n minus 3. Sigma 1 means n by n. So 4 cancel 2 times. N cancel. 6 cancel 2 times. N cancel. So 2 cancel. N cancel. N cancel. Simplify, your answer will come. So got simplification, got the answer.
Yes, sir, done.
So I'm erasing. We'll move to next sum.
Okay, sir.
Question number 4. What they gave, x value they gave, variable, frequency they gave, mean is given. What is x value? Okay. XO F they gave means sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. This is a mean formula. This they gave as 2.5. So what is a sigma Fi Xi means? You have to multiply x and f and add them. 0 plus 1 into 20. 2 into 40 means 80. 3 into 40, 120. 4 into 20, 80. Plus 5 fours are 20. Divided by sigma Fi. X plus 80 plus 100, 10 is equal to 2.5. And simplify, you will get answer straight away.
24, sir.
24. Okay.
4, sir. That is x plus 124, sir.
So we are having 0, 1, 4 only. So 4 answer.
4, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. There x plus 124, sir. It is.
Okay. So question number 5. In a class of 100 students, there are 70 boys whose average mark is 75. Huh? Supriya, voice breaking.
Four.
Huh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how we got x is equal to 4, sir?
How?
24 I have got.
Okay.
Sir, here in denominator, sir, it is x plus 124, sir.
X plus
Then we will
120,
get answer.
124. 40,
Yes,
40,
sir.
40 plus 40. Yes, 124. So here 200, 300, 320.
Yes,
So
sir.
2.5x plus 25 by 10 into 124. 5 2 times, so 5 5 times, so 2 here 62 times. So 2.5x is equal to 320 minus, Supriya, 5 2s are 10, 30, 31. 2x is equal to 10. 2.5 4 times direct.
Yes, sir. Now we'll get 4, sir.
Okay. Question number 5. Class of 100 students, 70 boys are there. Boys 70. Their average is 75. Boys 70 means 30 girls are there. Their average, don't know, is equal to. But the total average they gave 72. Find out x value.
$65, sir, answer.
Question number 6. Mean of n items is x bar. If these n items are Success is by 2, 2 square, 2 cube, etc. 2 power n. Then the new mean. What is given to you? Mean of n items is x bar. Now, if they are increasing, these are successfully increased by 2, 2 square. Suppose x1 is there, increased by 2. x2 is there, increased by 2 square. Like that, xn is there, increased by 2 power n. So, x1 plus, if you are, now the average they are telling. So, how to find average? Add them. x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 power n. Average, no? So divide by n. Here also divide by n. This is nothing but mean only, no? That means x bar plus, what is this formula for this? GP, sum of GP, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. So this is your answer. X bar 2 multiply inside 2 power n plus 1 by n minus 2 by n. That's it. Finished, huh?
Yes, sir, done.
Right. Question number 7. Mean of n items is x bar. First item increased by 1, second item increased by 2. So x1 plus 1, x2 plus 2, like that, xn plus n. Same like before sum. The new mean is, so x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn plus 1 plus 2 plus etc. n divided by n divided by n. This is x bar, mean. Sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. 2n, n cancel. This is the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay. So question number 8. An automobile driver travel from a plane to hill station. The same question. Huh? 120 kilometers away at an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Then he makes the return trip with an average of 25 kilometers per hour. He covered another 120 kilometers on the plane at the average of 50 kilometers per hour. His average speed in kilometers over the entire distance of 360 kilometers. They are asking average speed. Speed equal to distance by time, we know. So total distance by total time. Total distance 120 plus 120 plus 120 by time. Time, how can we find? Distance by speed. Distance by speed. So 120 by first 30, 120 by 25, 120 by 50. Simplify. Your answer will come. Direct question. Options very direct. Numerator 360, denominator 120 take common. Directly we can see third option. Finish. What is the answer?
Done, sir.
Right. See AM. Product of n positive numbers is a unity. Sum of these numbers cannot be less than. Product of n positive numbers x1, x2, etc. xn. Product, that is 1. AM greater than or equal to GM. So x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n greater than or equal to GM means x1, x2, etc. xn. Whole power 1 by n. Geometric mean. Two numbers means root AB. Root means power 1 by 2. Two numbers means 1 by 2. N numbers 1 by n. So anyway, product is 1 given. So 1 power 1 by n is 1 only. So x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn greater than or equal to n. That is the answer. So cannot be less than means minimum value they are asking. That's why unanswered. Next question. AM given 24.5. GM given 24.375. HM is equal to question mark. We have a relation now. G square equal to AH. Apply. You will get straight away.
The answer is 24.25.
Okay, 24.25.
25.
Okay. Chal. Next to median. What is the minimum value of?
25.
Okay. Minimum value of -6 mod x plus 3. Namrata, your question.
Yes, sir.
So why I did not send you solution? Because everyone should know one thing. Modulus function, whenever they are giving, you have to make inside function should be 0. That is called critical point. Second PU, I think you will have a topic called differentiability. That time I will explain you what is critical point. So because of this only, I did not send solution. Otherwise, it is very simple question. So inside modulus, whatever is there, if you make equal to 0, x equal to what possibilities you can get? -4, -3, next plus 3, plus 6, plus 8. That's it. 5 numbers. Now you know median means what? This is your median. Now consider x equal to 3. Substitute here. Every modulus you put x equal to 3. What you are getting? That is your answer. Understood, right? Median means generally what you will do? Increasing the order, decreasing the order. Here also I wrote increasing order only. Middle value is called median. Now that is your x value. X equal to 3. Substitute in the question. What answer you are getting? That is the minimum value we are asking.
Fifteen. 15.
Check one. Option is not here. Three plus
21.
five plus 7 plus 0.
21.
Yes, 21. 11, 9, 21. Next question. Mean median concept. So mode equal to 3 median minus 2 median. So they gave mean and median. Mean equal to 21 given. Mean x bar given 21, median given 22. Substitute to get our answer. So next question they gave the difference between mean and mode is 63. Mean minus mode is equal to 63. Now they are asking the difference between mean and median. Mean minus median equal to dash. What relation you know is mode equal to 3 minus 2 mean. So what you do is subtract mode minus mean. Minus mean add both sides. Mode minus mean is equal to 3 median minus 3 mean. Minus mean we are adding both sides. The difference they gave now. Difference means either mean minus mode or mode minus mean. Anything is correct. So this is given as 63 into median minus mean, which we have to find out. So our answer is 21. Okay.
Done.
So next, generally coefficient of variation means questions they don't ask. So here, if you want to do question means 16th and 17th. Direct formula based questions all are now onwards. 16th question is mean deviation about median given 15. Mean deviation. Synopsis I told you study. So if you see the synopsis, all are formulas straight away they are asking. Mean deviation about median is 15 and the median given as 450. Therefore, question is coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. This is equal to mean deviation by median. Like for coefficient of mean deviation. Okay. So answer is some decimal number you will get 15 by 450. 1 by 30. Seventeenth, 18th, 19th, 20. These 4 subject KSET are mains level. But all are formula based only.
Done, sir.
So 17th question. What is the mean and standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Mean x bar. Sum of values by number of values. Ten, 15, 21. 10, 10, 20, 21. 21 by 6. Three sevens, 3 twos. Mean. Next, variance. Variance or standard deviation. Okay, variance find out. Sigma square equal to if you see synopsis example 18, workload example 18. About that, note 2 is there. Note 1, note 2, note 3. Note 2, if you see sigma square equal to formula given. N square minus 1 by 12 into d square. By 12. Anyway, d value 1 only. And we want standard deviation, sigma. So root out. So this is the answer. Remember, for this kind of data, variance formula remember. So 18th. Second exercise also we have completed PU. That's why. Same questions, same pattern, everything same only. Competitive also. See, 18th question, what they are asking? They are giving sample size of 60. That means n is equal to 60. Sigma x square given, that is equal to 18,000. Sigma x given 960. Then variance sigma square equal to 1 by n into sigma x square minus sigma x by n whole square. So 1 by 60 into 18,000 minus 960 by 60 whole square. Cancel 60 times. So 300 minus 16 square, 256. $44. Question is variance. So second exercise, first three questions we have done the same formula. That is only generally they are asking in the final exam, JEE mains also. Same formula based questions they are asking. Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Finish.
So 920 same format you solve. So that's it for today.
Okay, sir.
Remaining 21, 22 is a waste of time only. No need of solving. So 19, 20 you do it. That much is sufficient.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
send previous mains questions in the group. Because if they want to give any previous questions means the same maintain they will, I will give you. I'll send you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.